Good morning. Beautiful day in Miami after all the rain last night. Looking forward to doing some bit of exploring now, get some breakfast, but I'll be without my shoes. Finally croaked it, so I'm down to one pair of flip-flops. Well, here we have it. The last day on the bikes before we return them this afternoon. And as you saw earlier, the sun is out in Miami. A little bit of a change from yesterday, the dismal, dreary, rainy start to Miami, but now we've got some sun and we're going to take advantage because apparently it's weather forecast for a lot of rain later this afternoon. So we want to do a little bit of driving around South Beach, see some places, maybe even squeeze in a bit of pool time before the downpour comes. But yeah, it's been a great time on this bike. I've really enjoyed this Harley Street Glide, super comfy. If I was ever to, well, I don't think I will, but if ever to live in America, I can see why this is the bike to have, because, you know, America's such a big country, and to be able to travel around the long miles to see places, without a doubt you'd want a comfortable bike, and this is a bike. So I think we're gonna head. I think we've got to do a U-turn. We're gonna head and grab some breakfast. Found a diner just on the other side of the bridge. Jimmy's East Side Diner or Cafe. Looks solid, so we'll go and check that one out. Did you see it? Oh, I was looking on the right. Jimmy's East Side Diner. There we go. Time to get some brekkie. We're now bellies full of food. Well, should I say I've got a belly full of grease. I really did want to try and stay away from oily fried stuff. We've had so much on this trip, and I think that has finally pushed me over the edge. I could not finish it. It was just a step too far on the oil scale. So our last cruise on the bikes, we are going to head to Little Haiti, cruise through there. This is Little Haiti. Yep. Apart from, yeah, it's got some good street art, but apart from that, yeah, not much. Say, driving around South Beach, I feel like I'm in a virtual reality game of Grand Theft Auto Vice City. I played that game for hundreds of hours, and this is so similar. So what a game. Yeah, it's prepared me well. All I need to do now is grab myself a rocket launcher, See if I can get 5 stars, see what happens. That's cool. South Beach, what a cool place. Yeah, sun's out, very busy, lots of cool bars lining the front. So just before we get back to Eagleriders, I think last verdict on the old trusty street glide. Long cruise is great, super comfy, easy to drive. I think the sat nav, yeah, ideal, and luggage space for long trips, ample. It's got more than enough for what I needed. But only, and I mean this is a small thing, but the Harleys are well known for having very clunky gears, you know, it clunks up, clunks down. But one difficulty me and Gaz both had was finding neutral. You know, it's very hit or miss. Sometimes you're clunking up to second, back down to first, up to second, and you just can't find neutral. Some days you can. Wee, wee, wee. Ho, 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 ho. Wow. Wee, wee, wee. Ho, 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 ho. Anyway, yeah, neutral. Sometimes find it, sometimes don't. A little bit annoying because, you know, the lever, clutch lever is super tight. So yeah, if you're looking for a great forearm workout, it's a great bike, because sometimes, let's have a look, all the way down, half click up, oi, found it, alright, but it's not always that easy, and to be honest with you, when you're stuck at lights for a while and you're forcing it, you let the clutch out a bit to try and loosen it up and then try for it again. Yeah, it's a little bit annoying. Maybe there's a trick that us non-seasoned Harley drivers know about. And here we have it, Eagleriders rental. Oh. Let's get the bike checked in, see how much Gaz has to pay.
One last time.
Yeah, one last time, here we go. Right in front of the renters and the Harley fanatics. There we go.
Excellent, guys. You don't mind if I take a couple of pictures?
Yeah, sure. I need you to give this back to you.
Yeah, sure.
Because that popped off.
No problem.
Looks like Gaz got very, very lucky with that one. He said it all looks in perfect condition, and I don't know about you and me, but the clutch lever looks incredibly bent on Gaz's. Winning.